Here's a look at our gorgeous sunrise this morning. We had blue sky and just really nice conditions, but the clouds have kind of moved in as we've headed into the noon hour. This is temporary. We'll get some more sunshine here today, but there's also a chance for some showers too here in the valley. So here's a look at our temperatures right now. First off, we're a lot cooler, a lot more comfortable than the heat that we had last week to end the week. We're looking at some 60s to some low 70s now at 72 degrees in Wahpeton, 72 in Sisseton, 69 in Fargo, and 67 in Grand Forks. So a cooler day today, comfortable in a lot of cases, but there is some wind too. So in some places up in the Northeast, we're in the low 60s, and we've got northerly gusts into the 20s. That might feel a little chilly. 23 miles per hour in Thief River Falls. Out of the northwest there for your gust. Fargo, no gust at the moment, so we're looking at a 7-mile-per-hour speed. So here's a look at your visible satellite map. You could see that there are places where we've got wide areas of blue sky in southeastern North Dakota. Here in Fargo, Moorhead, you could see some cloud cover that's been moving through. Some of it up in Grand Forks with some partly cloudy skies there. And then over to the west, Devil's Lake, some more clouds in that area. And there's some green on the map indicating that we might be getting a few sprinkles underneath those too. And that's kind of the beginning of chances for some isolated rain and thunder showers for later today. Elsewhere, it's pretty quiet west of us. It's just this one little pocket of rain at the moment. So here's a look at our hour-by-hour planner. Expect to have some quiet conditions heading into the afternoon, some areas of cloud cover, but overall, we're looking at mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And we start to see some of these areas of green pop up on the map. This might be underdoing it a little bit. We're only looking at a few areas of green right now, whereas some other models are showing a little bit more substantial rain. But overall, what we're looking at here is some spotty showers, some that might produce a little bit of lightning, but they're going to be weak. And again, this is going to affect more likely the southern valley, but as we just saw on the radar, there are some showers up in the Devil's Lake Basin, so can't rule it out up north. Into the 9 o'clock hour, you can see temperatures starting to slip back into the 60s for the rest of the evening hours. And overall, we're looking at a quieting of conditions for us overnight tonight and into the early part of the day tomorrow. But as we progress through the day, we'll see some clouds, we'll see some more moisture move into the valley, and that will help to feed some showers and more thunder showers heading into Tuesday. So this is 6 a.m. You can see some clouds in the region, perhaps a few spotty areas of light rain. But as we head into the afternoon, this is the noon hour, this is when we start to see those thunder showers start to develop. So heading into the afternoon hours, you can see some areas where those thunderstorms are starting to pop up. Over to the west, we'll be getting a little more organized there, but even in the east, there'll be some areas of rain and thunder in the afternoon. And around 5 o'clock, you can see some yellows and oranges here indicating heavier rain and a stronger thunderstorm potentially. We could see 1 or 2 of these become severe, and we're looking at some hail, brief hail, or a damaging wind gust with these storms. This is 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. They're starting to move off to the east, but still dealing with them even into the 9 o'clock hour somewhere in the valley. A look at your severe thunderstorm risk for Tuesday. This is not for today. For Tuesday, you can see southeastern North Dakota, the main focus. And again, brief, severe, and only 1 or 2. It shouldn't be that much of a severe event, but certainly you could be the one spot that gets hit by it, so it definitely is a good idea to pay attention. The whole week itself, we're looking at 60s to 70s for high temperatures, so much cooler than last week and a little unsettled here too.
All right. Thank you, Lisa.